Hey everybody! Welcome to Wonderful Relationship. We're so glad you're here with us today. This is the place where we dive deep into the beautiful, complex, and sometimes challenging world of relationships. Whether you're in a new relationship, have been together for years, or are just looking for some advice, we've got something for everyone. Relationships are amazing, right? They bring so much joy and fulfillment into our lives. Think about those moments when you and your partner share a laugh, or when you experience something new together. It's those little things that make a relationship truly special. They can be funny, exciting, and full of love. From spontaneous adventures to quiet nights in, every moment spent together builds a stronger bond. It's about creating memories that you'll cherish forever. But sometimes we need a little reminder about the simple things that make them truly special. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life and forget to appreciate those small, meaningful gestures. That's why we're here today to talk about how to make a woman feel truly loved. It's not just about grand gestures or expensive gifts. Often it's the little things that mean the most. A kind word, a thoughtful action, or just being present can make all the difference. And fellas, I'm talking about really making her feel like the center of your universe. Show her that she is valued and appreciated every single day. It's about consistency and genuine effort. So get ready for some tips that will make her heart melt. We'll explore different ways to express your love and make her feel special. From simple daily habits to more elaborate surprises, we've got you covered. Stay tuned, and let's make those relationships wonderful. Chapter 1. Show genuine interest. One of the greatest gifts you can give someone is your undivided attention. In today's fast-paced world, where distractions are everywhere, taking the time to truly focus on another person is a rare and precious act. And ladies, you know what I'm talking about. Put those phones down, fellas, and really listen to what she has to say. It's not just about hearing the words, but about understanding the emotions and thoughts behind them. Ask her about her day, her dreams, her fears. Show genuine curiosity about her life. When you ask meaningful questions, it shows that you care about her experiences and feelings. And when she's talking, really listen, not just waiting for your turn to speak. This means being present in the moment, absorbing her words, and responding thoughtfully. Make eye contact, nod your head, and show her that you're present and engaged. These small gestures can make a big difference in how connected she feels to you. Trust me, when you make her feel heard and understood, it creates a deeper connection than you can imagine. It's about building a foundation of trust and intimacy that can strengthen your relationship in profound ways. So next time, put away the distractions, focus on her, and watch your bond grow stronger. Chapter 2. Communicate openly. Communication is key, people. And I'm not just talking about the weather. I'm talking about sharing your thoughts and feelings honestly and respectfully. Tell her what's on your mind and encourage her to do the same. And remember, communication is a two-way street. That means listening to understand, not just waiting for your turn to talk. When you create a safe space for open and honest dialogue, you build trust and intimacy. Chapter 3. Show appreciation. Let's be honest, everyone loves a little appreciation, right? Tell her how much you appreciate her, both the big things and the small things. Notice the effort she puts into her appearance, her cooking, her thoughtfulness. A simple thank you or I appreciate you can go a long way. And don't forget the power of a handwritten note. In this digital age, a heartfelt note is like a rare gem. Chapter 4. Spend quality time together. Life can get busy, I get it, but it's so important to make time for each other, even if it's just for a few minutes every day. Put away your phones, turn off the TV, and just be present with each other. Go for a walk, cook a meal together, or just cuddle up on the couch and talk. The important thing is to create shared experiences and make memories that will last a lifetime. Chapter 5. Support her dreams. We all have dreams, right? And having someone who believes in us and supports our aspirations is priceless. Encourage her to pursue her passions, whether it's starting a business, writing a book, or learning a new skill. Be her biggest cheerleader, her rock, her confidant. Let her know that you're in her corner, no matter what. When you believe in her, it gives her the confidence to soar to new heights. Chapter 6. Be affectionate. Never underestimate the power of touch. A simple hug, a kiss, holding hands. These small gestures speak volumes. Physical affection releases oxytocin, the cuddle hormone, which promotes bonding and connection. So, cuddle up on the couch, give her a back rub, or just hold her hand while you're walking down the street. These little moments of physical intimacy can make her feel loved and cherished. Chapter 7. Respect her independence. As much as we love spending time with our partners, it's important to respect each other's need for space and independence. Encourage her to pursue her own interests, hobbies, and friendships. Remember, a healthy relationship is about two individuals who complement each other, not complete each other. So give her the freedom to be herself and she'll love you even more for it. Chapter 8. Surprise her. Who doesn't love a good surprise? It doesn't have to be anything extravagant. Small, thoughtful gestures can go a long way. Bring her flowers, cook her favorite meal, or plan a surprise date night. These little surprises show her that you're thinking about her and that you want to make her happy. And who knows? You might even get a little surprise in return. Chapter 9. Be reliable. Being reliable is one of the most important qualities in any relationship. When you say you're going to do something, do it. Keep your promises. Be there for her when she needs you, and follow through on your commitments. Reliability builds trust and security, which are essential for a strong and lasting relationship. So be the person she can always count on, no matter what. Chapter 10. Show empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. It's a fundamental aspect of human connection and relationships. When we show empathy, we bridge the gap between ourselves and others, creating a bond that is built on mutual understanding and compassion. It's about putting yourself in her shoes and seeing the world from her perspective. This means actively listening to her concerns, validating her feelings, and acknowledging her experiences. Empathy is not just about feeling sorry for someone, it's about truly understanding their emotions and being there for them in a meaningful way. When she's going through a tough time, be there to listen, offer support, and let her know that you care. Sometimes, the best thing you can do is simply be present. Your presence alone can provide comfort and reassurance. Show her that you are there for her, not just in words, but in actions as well. Even if you don't have all the answers, just being present and empathetic can make a world of difference. It's okay to admit that you don't know what to say or do. What's important is that you are there, offering a shoulder to lean on and a listening ear. Your empathy can help her feel less alone and more understood. Remember, a true partner is there for both the sunshine and the storms. Life is full of ups and downs, and being empathetic means standing by her side through it all. Celebrate the good times together and provide support during the challenging moments. Empathy strengthens your relationship and helps you grow closer as a couple. So there you have it, folks. 10 ways to make a woman feel truly loved. Remember, relationships take work, but the rewards are immeasurable. When you put in the effort to make your partner feel loved and appreciated, you create a bond that's unbreakable. So go out there and spread the love. And be sure to subscribe to Wonderful Relationship for more tips on building strong and lasting connections. We'll see you next time.